Technician accessibility, cost control, unscheduled maintenance, and sustainability are all key concerns for fleet managers today.
So when I think about private fleets and what is like on the horizon for them and what keeps them up at night, and if they do their own maintenance in-house, it's having techs. I mean, the technicians are the lifeblood of the fleet, right? They keep it running. They are absolutely critical in the operation of the business, and there's a labor shortage, right? We don't have as many people graduating from technical colleges, so that resource is getting thin. So what we do, we can certainly help with that, right? So they outsource to us. We provide the technicians. We have great relationships with the technology or trade schools where we do recruiting right out of there. We put them into a training program where they're shadowing experienced technicians, and once they graduate from the tech school, they're learning real life business with us. So I think that is a big gain and something that we are doing proactively in the space, which is great. Cost control and budgetary predictability is something I think having that predictable expense that they can manage to. So we provide that. So we have proprietary technology that really breaks down all of the costs. We interface directly with our clients so that they can see the health of their fleet, the expense of their fleet, and make those informed decisions. And we work hand in hand and side by side with them to make those decisions. I would say, when I think about broader issue sustainability, right? That's something that is very, very important to fleets. We can help with that. We can help them hit their carb hurdles. We can help them be more green in their operation. So that is something I know a lot of our fleets are concerned about, and we're there with them. And then I'm going to go back and hit it just one more time. It's just the transparency and data and visibility into their expenses, right? So we work with our clients. We make data-based decisions. That's what we do. And there's so much data that's out there. Our system is able to take all of that data, distill it down, and then make it actionable. And that's what we work with our clients on, is really working through that, giving them the visibility, and then making informed decisions using the data. And then the last thing I think that really keeps fleets up at night is the unscheduled downtime, right? You get those breakdowns, you get those service delays, they're disrupting their clients. You need to stay away from that. I know that keeps them up at night. And once again, that proactive preventative maintenance will help put that to the side.